All right, welcome to Repair DJ Gear. Right here we have a Denon Prime 2. We're switching it on, and we're going to use a Bluetooth connectivity device that is going to record power on cycles and hours on cycles. And we'll see that very soon. Let's have it power up. All right. Now we're going to select the app here, and it's going to load up to our DJ Track app. And here we can see that the number of power cycles is 3. And the number of hours is 0. We reset it to 0 for demonstration purposes. And now we're going to disconnect or turn the power off. Let it shut down. All right, and now it's off. Connection is lost. And we're going to cycle the power on again shortly. This is showing you that without the power on, it cannot connect automatically. So now we're going to cycle on the power switch again. And now we have 4 cycles of power on cycles. And here's the device that is very simple and clean to install into any equipment, pro audio, DJ, amplifiers, speakers, anything that has a power switch, anything that has power. So yes, there you have it. We can pretty much program this device to do anything. It just depends on what is needed. It's a very basic setup now, but if you'd like to reach us, you can contact us at repairdjgear.com. Thank you.